Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy yesterday to gain success in day trading. Before that, please go to the website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com where you will see a sign up form. Please fill the sign up form. So we will send a verification email to your email ID. Just click on the link so your email will be verified. So after doing this process, you can expect all our videos to come and will reach your email ID. If you are a new visitor, please go to this website and see the expert in the menu column. You will have find this expert. Click on the expert where you will see a detailed explanation how you should apply this day trading strategy. A tutorial part 1 and part 2. Please look into that. If you are a new visitor, if you are our client, if you have any doubt, please contact us. We are here to guide and help you. Now let us move on how you should have applied our momentum day trading strategy to reach success in day trading. As I told you, whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. You can see this long spiked up candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening. We had made it very clear whenever the market provided a huge spiked up opening, we had set certain rules and regulations. That is a major reason why we expect you to follow these presentations every day, why we are providing these educational presentations, so that whenever the situations are different, we will tell you how you should approach, how you should use this strategy, and how you should face that situation. And we made it very clear whenever there is a spiked up price opening, the first 2 hours you should leave the market and wait. So what I am going to do is that I am going to leave this market for the first 2 hours. Whenever I place this cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So I will be waiting for the next hour. So the first hour is over. You can see the time below 11. So I am not going to take any trade because I know the system will take its time to analyze the support and resistance. If I am going to be in a hurry, I may end up in losing some trades. So after 12 I will be entering into the trade because this is the rule which I am following it. As we told you, always you should have a trading plan, and in that trading plan you write down your trading rules and make it very clear you follow that. Not just a paper written, not just a paper in your trading room. So here after 12 o'clock I will be entering into all the single trades. So now I am not going to do anything. I will be waiting for the signal. Yes, from here I will start my trading. So now closely monitor how I am going to pick all the entries. Now the platform shows you. Now I got a signal. So this is a blue color signal which indicates the price is likely to move up. As you all know, I am going to take a look at the length of the candlestick to approximately to half the length of the candlestick. I will be placing my buy order. On seeing the previous colored candlestick below the low, I will be placing my sell order. That's all. It's very simple. Now I am going to, yes, I was into this trade. As I know that this is a spiked up price opening, I will be very conservative initially in booking my profits. Once I make some few profits, I will be booking it and coming out of the market. So I made some profit. So you should also follow the same principle. Whenever the price open in a very huge way, whenever there is a large difference in the price opening. So now what I am going to do is that I am going to leave it and wait for the next signal. So I would have made some profit. So like me, you would have also made some profit. So I will be waiting for the next signal. Yeah, I got my next signal. As I told you that for every single candlestick I will be going for the trade. It is not necessary you should do in the same manner how I am explaining you. So let me see that whether you got into any trade. Yes, I am into this trade. Again and again we repeatedly saying only after entering into the trade you should place your stop loss. Don't rush and place your stop loss because there are chances that you may identify a false candlestick. Without entering into the trade, you get your stop loss triggered. So please follow these rules. So for easy identification, since this is for education, I am doing it both the things, drawing both the line at the same price. So what I will be doing is that now I am into this trade. So I got triggered. My stop got triggered. So I'll be waiting for the next signal. Yes, I got a next signal. So what I'm going to do is that exactly looking at the length of the candlestick, to approximately to half the length of the candlestick I am going to place my buy order. I am calculating this previous color candlestick low where I will be placing my sell order. I am going to wait and see whether I am into this trade. Yes, I am into this trade. Let me see how what's happening after that. So the price is not moving above this, as we know that on the previous occasion where the price got returned. In the same way, the price is finding some resistance. Yeah, I didn't trigger my stop loss. Again, it's giving me a hope. You can follow the date and time. Yes, again my stop got triggered. So this is the second time I'm getting into my loss. So I'm going to do this continuously. As I told you, I'll be doing this continuously till the end of the market. I am not going to stop anywhere. So approximately to half the length, and then here I'll be placing my both the orders. So I'm going to wait again. No, I am not into this trade. I identified a false candlestick, so I'm going to delete it. So I'll be waiting for again for the next entry. I got my next entry. So approximately to half the length of this candlestick, I'll be placing my sell order, and above the high, previous colored candlestick high, I am going to place. Yes, I am into this trade. So let me wait and see whether I am getting some profit. Yeah, it made some 6 point profit, but I am not satisfied with this. I'll be waiting for it because I had made few losses earlier, so I should cover all my losses also. I am waiting. Yes, again my stop got triggered. So we now everybody will be watching that and saying that wow, 3 times, only one time we reached success, and continuously 3 times we got stopped out. Let me continue it and show you whether how we will be successful at the end of the market. So in the 3 ways, since we got stopped out 3 times, our system is also taking a lot of time to give you and provide you a signal. Of course, it provided a signal, but it is a false candlestick. We would have identified that. So it's also taking a long time. The system also knows that it made some good losses in the earlier session. So I'll be waiting to catch this next point eagerly. It's waiting very eagerly because it is also very conservative. So here, after a very long time, I got a signal. So what I will do is that approximately, I am not tensed. I know this has got a very good potential. I have back tested it for a long time, and now let me see. Yes, it's giving some momentum, and it provided me some good profit. So what I do is that after a long time, I want to book some profit. So I am closing it. So what I will do is that I will wait for the next signal. So I am waiting for next signal. Like us, the system is also see how it is considering all the entry points. It is not throwing away all the entries right away. Yes, I got it. I got one more entry. So what I'm doing is that approximately to half the length, I'm going to place. So here, if you see, all the highs are equal. So what I need to do is that I should pick the previous high. Now my stop is also higher. I'm going to wait. Since it has provided me, you may ask it, after this is a false candlestick, because after this candlestick the market had moved above this colored candlestick, and it has provided a neutral zone. What I will do is that, because I had made many losses earlier, I want to be a bit conservative in my decision. It depends upon the traders to decide. If you have any doubt, you please contact us, and we are here to help you out. So on calculating this length, approximate to half the length, I am going to place my sell order. On the previous candlestick, above the previous candlestick high, I am going to place my stop loss order. So I am going to wait. So okay, I am not into the trade. Yes, now I am into this trade. So this time I got a very good profit. So I'll be deleting it. After now, I'm into the profit making mode. Earlier I was in loss making mode. So 3 times my stop got triggered. So now I'm going to take all these calls. So this is my profit entry point, and I know this is going to be a very big stop loss. It depends upon the traders to take this call. If you have sufficient funds in your trading account, if you are aggressive, you can do this type of loss, because on seeing this target and the stop loss itself, you can easily identify your stop loss is going to be very huge. In this type of scenario, what you can do is that it is not always necessary you should place your stop loss in the same way. You can also minimize that and minimize your stop loss like half the length, and you can apply your own strategies also. As far as the rule is concerned, this is what you are expecting. It will see how it has reacted after entering into the trade. The market just showed a clear bounce back, consolidated here, and it had provided you a very good profit. So it is worth, as far as this situation is concerned, it is worth taking that amount of risk. So I'll be waiting for the next signal to show you. Yes, I got this signal. So what I will do is that I am going to look at the length of the candlestick, and approximately to half the length I will be placing both the orders. I am going to wait and see. Yes, I am into that trade, but this time I got stopped out. So after a while, after a long time, I am getting stopped out. So I will be continuously doing this. So here I got another signal to approximately to half the length. I will be entering into this trade on the previous colored candlestick high. I am going to place my stop loss. So this is just I missed my stop loss, because I would have not been into this trade. Now I got into the trade. Okay, let's see whether I'm making some profit. No, I made some profit actually. That's also a very good profit after ending into trade. 5-6 plus point profit, but I'm not satisfied since I made some few loss earlier. I'll be running this trade till the end of the market closes. So see, this is the zone where I'll be entering into the trade. On the previous colored candlestick low, I'll be placing my stop loss. Why I'm placing my stop loss here? Follow it very carefully, because the low is equal. So I'm placing and choosing the next candlestick, and I'm placing my stop here. So I'll be waiting. Yes, I'm into this trade. Yeah, I'm into this trade. I made some profit. Yes, it's a good profit again. So now I entered into this profit making mode. I'll be waiting. I am waiting again. This is a false candlestick. I had identified that. So yes, here I got another entry point. So what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to do any mathematics, or I'm not going to do rocket science here when I trade. So just simply I calculate, and I got into this trade. So I'll be waiting for a good profit. So I got back. So again I'm into the profit making mode. So it has yielded me a very good profit. So that's all. The market closes. So see, initially we were in few losses. We should accept that this is a business where profit and loss are part of the game, but you are here to make profit. After 2-3 losses like we saw in the earlier session, this happened. Why these 2-3 continuous loss happened? Just because of the spiked up opening. Even if we left 2 hours, then after that also we made some continuous losses. Then after that, if you keep on trading, you saw that what is the potential of this strategy. So this is the way you should start trading and using this strategy to become a successful day trader. So many times the market will provide you a valuable entry points. Don't rush into all the trades. For educational purpose, I did all the trades, because you should trade for your target, because the market may move anywhere from 6,300, 6,400 or 500. Trade for your target. The target should be based upon the available fund you have in your trading account. Once you reach the target, exit from the business, wait for a good opportunity. Don't keep on doing the trading continuously. Don't over trade. Always over trading lead you to a loss. So trade for your target. Once you reach your target, set your goal. Have a trading plan. This is what we insist you. Have a trading plan. In that trading plan, just mention what is the daily target you are expecting, what is the fund you are having in your trading account, what is the risk you can take, what is the pain tolerance you can take every day. So this is how you should use your simple day trading strategy. If you have any doubt, please contact us. We have a special individual training session. So this is the way we follow a different way in training. So once you have a trading account with us, what we do is that we have individual 1-to-1 training session to clarify all your doubts in this particular strategy. So let us see, tomorrow we will come again with the next today's presentation. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy to